Inaksuy nga pula Kadumahan Film Creative. Upo ang Degolong 25 Films. Tiil ni Lola Arcine Films. Nilagang Baka 300 Pictures. Can the Flower Forgive? Alas 12 Productions. Unti-unti ni Malinaw Production. Bahay-Bahayan Safe House Production. Hibik sa Entablado MCGI NCR Productions. Ang diwatan ng pagkakapantay-pantay ng PDF ng Doom Production. Auto Perfect Apares Alagwa Motion Pictures. Kung sakali man, SAU Studios. St. Thomas Cine True Films. Higit sa mga salita, Siete Films. Menudo Alatala Productions. Sandaling Katahimikan Filmmakers of Today. Tuod si Teddy Laton-Laton Collective. Sambal Kakaku One Roof Productions. Sa Dilim May Liwanag Artistic Minds Production Incorporated. Marker 12 AM. Pangarap na Entablado MKG Film and Production. Not Seen But Felt Rocket Studios. Kung paano muling makikita 3,500 Productions. Tumingala muli Likasyon Production. Ballads of a Blind Man CVP. True A Viewfinder CVP. Uy Magic KFH Films. A Special Love NCR Core Production. Para-Paraan Out of the Box. Moya Salaysay Original Production. Itik Jerry Films. The Clock Filipino Dev Star Works. A Widow to the Window Alamat ng Saga. Kubli One Man Films. What We Left on the Shelf Afterworld Productions. Lost Mobility Walking Street Bistro. Nasiod sa Darangkol nga Pukot Creative Shots Productions. Gilantaw ko ang wala na di-ay Avirians Production. Unheard Avirians Production. Dahugamay Karasiner Production. Katulad mo rin ako Rebel Films 413 Cinema. Crossing Paths Chop Suey Production Rebel Films. I'm the Jellyfish That Swims in the Waves DDC Films and Sarok Short Film Festival. Kabilang linya, lahat ng bata, Last Bite Digital. Hindi lahat ng paro-paro lumilipad, Oxman Ox Production. The Room, Details Creatives.